Hey, how's everybody doing out there? First of all, my name is Kenneth Bird. I'm the creator of Crystal Edge Technology Screens using Smart Technology Gain. You know, I got an idea. We're going to start designing a tabletop projection screen that'll be designed for short throw projectors. These are fantastic for office. If you want to use this for your business, these are fantastic screens to have. And we're going to make them a certain size. So I got a lot of work to do for the 24th. And this is going to be an interesting project. I hope you guys enjoyed the video demonstration, just showing you how much light these screens can take in. These are using Smart Technology Gain times 10. And we got some pretty good, interesting ideas to work with this technology and designing a form of tabletop projection screen. Hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. Thank you all for your time.